what we are seeing here is the main street of Ara Damansara. This is the location that we're going to do today. What's up guys, today will be a tour with Alex where he is a specialist for commercial areas in Ara Damansara itself. So he has been in the business for like 5 to 6 years already, and there's a lot of space he can't wait to show me, and this is one of them. So we are now in Symphony House, which is a building by Symphony Hills we think, and we are now in the sales gallery, the previous old sales gallery. So it's huge, and as we mentioned and we discussed before, the per square feet rate is for rental, so it's around 450 per square feet right now. And when we stepped into this building, right, we thought we are in Korea because there's a lot of Koreans. So we asked why, like, because Expedia's shared services and support is in the same building. So let's continue to film. So we are now in Overseas Corporate Park, and it's the first time I fly drones indoor. So 6,000 square feet is this scale, right? A lot of people cannot like imagine or comprehend how big is 6,000 square feet. So I think that's all for this episode. I hope you learned more about Ara Damansara after this episode.